I'm here with the Sunbelt Rentals barriers and fencing team. We bring 3 different products to this one. It's a mesh fence for the perimeter of the hospitality technical areas. We use crowd control barriers for general demarcation out on the course, and then concord barriers for the all-important sprint to the finish line. Effectively getting here early in the morning, making sure that all the products delivered in the right order, and that it all goes out in the order that we packed it up the previous night, and that everything's ready for the racing to happen in the afternoon.
Service has been absolutely fantastic for us because it's essential that we work as a team to get everything done together, and it's a really positive experience. So although we travel the whole country, we have the same team for the whole week, or slightly more than a week for the duration of the event. The Sunbelt guys become part of our team, and then throughout the day we keep in touch to see what progress is.
So we support the customer Sweet Spot UK on this race. We do have a very flexible team. We follow them all the way through the race, so they get professional staff that really know what they're doing. We've also been able to adapt quantities to their requirements, especially with COVID this year. Certain areas need more product. We can respond on a national basis to bring that in from depots along the route.
Well, there's just such a lot of experience in the team, from Matt, who manages on the ground, and the team, and there's a lot of crew, and it's a very unique event because we have a 5-hour window to install everything and a 3 to 4 hour D-rig, 8 consecutive days.
So Sunbelt Rentals have a wide range of equipment and a real breadth of expertise, so customers can rely on us to provide the right solutions at the right time.